Okay, Bill, can you just make sure you shut that gate when you come through it?
Radio, copy that.
G'day folks, Pat Callanan here. Well, hot off the press, I have the news. Uniden has just launched two brand new UHF Cb Mobiles. They are known as the X70 and the X76. Now, coming from that Uniden family, they have all the engineering that you would expect. I mean, this company has been around since 1966, and to this day, they continue to engineer all of their products in Japan. Now, the warranty on these products is absolutely rock solid. They are warranted for 5 years, no matter whether you use them once a year or 500 times a day. Now, there are a few particular differences between the X70 and the X76. So for the tech talk on all of this, I'm going to throw you over to my son, Bill, and he's going to take you through the features of the X76.
So this is the Uniden X76 in-car UHF radio. As you can see, it's got a great big LCD display that also has a 7-color backlight on it. And this unit's pretty cool because all your controls, all your features are actually located on the remote itself, which makes for an awesome, easy installation because you can just throw that base unit up under the dash somewhere and you've got access to everything up here in the remote.
Well, thanks for that, Bill. When it comes to the X70, well, it is a UHF Cb Mobile, and it comes with a speaker in the microphone and also in the head unit. And if you want to play around with the colors, there are 7 different colors to choose from to match your personality or your vehicle.